Homeland Security. Come on. Inside Pete's roof here. Oh my God. Get out there. Yep. Homeland Security, Pete's roof. Nobody can stop you unless you stand up. Wait. You see anybody? I don't know where they went, but
Holy crap, better get back in.
Strowman has spotted us. Can't get to us though. Pete's got us protected.
We know the owner.
Hunter 2-1, enemy drone is targeting you. Seek cover, over.
Seek cover. Pete's got us covered.